You already know QUEE and MAJC.
That's me. That's me. What's up, YouTube gang? Your girl is back with another video. What's up, YouTube gang? What is up, your girl's back with another video. Today, y'all. We have us a seafood boil. You heard that right. We got us some snow crab, corn eggs, and lemons. Okay, lemons. Got some, well, the rendition of beef sauce because I fixed it up the way I like it. And then we also have some regular butter sauce back here. If you're new here, welcome. If you're out here, welcome back. Today I have me some cran watermelon. I'm ready to get into it because I'm real hungry. For real. Oh, Lord. Yeah, I'm so hungry. All I'm going to do with myself today is a new setup. I'm actually using my table. I used to use my little thing to set stuff up, but I'm using the table today. So y'all let me know how y'all like this setup. I had someone in my last video say it's too far away. So I hope this is a better view for you. But yeah, and I hope, Lord, I hope it ain't. I steamed them again. They were already steamed, and I steamed them again. So I really hope that I didn't shrink them. Oh, that's so good. Everybody, that's so good. Oh yeah. Oh, it's finna fall. I hope y'all are having a great day. I'm gonna do this one I already started on. Like I said, I hope you guys are having a great day. They steamed them in lemon pepper. They had lemon pepper in Old Bay place where I went. I really didn't want Old Bay like that because sometimes, if you know Old Bay can be overpowering. I was gonna put my hair down, comb it down, wear it down for y'all. I was like, I am who I am. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes, and that might be the word today. Message for today. Be who you are. Oh, my elbow lash. Not too much, okay? But, be who you are. And I know I'm having my hair. I normally with my hair down, but today I didn't. And that's okay. That's all right. Today I'm looking young. Y'all might think I'm young anyway. Yeah, I am younger than probably some of you that watch me. I'm 24. I hate that they got this shell that's soft like this. Y'all gonna have to excuse my ashy elbow. All right. Whoa. That would have been perfect. I used to eat these, but sometimes be salty. There's more meat in there. Let's see. Get that little meat there back there. Got it. Maybe I could sit this here for the time being because that's in my way. Yeah, I'm so hungry. I'm sorry. I'm barely talking. Your girl is super hungry. I haven't eaten all day, and it's like 2 o'clock now. Well, it was like 1:45 before I started, so it might be like 1:45, 1:50. So you can imagine, I'm a little bit hungry. I'm gonna have to peel it. I hate when they be like this. I don't know why they are like this. I don't know, because they was already steamed already. Is that the reason why? And I don't want to break this either. So let me just peel it. Okay. Get that out of there. Okay. There we go. I don't like no soft. I don't like when it's soft like that. I forgot when I get these curly, they be like this. We're gonna make the best of what we can do. Yeah, I'm trying to be able to being positive. Because, you know, sometimes doing new things, you get like cold feet, you get nervous, you get, you know, when you do new things, you have all type of feelings, all type of feelings. So be yourself and be positive. Make it a habit. And when somebody being negative, you don't have to, what am I trying to say? You don't have to respond to negativity. Or just because somebody being negative, don't mean that could put you, you don't have to be put down because of that. I want an egg. I'm hungry. And these crab ain't feed me up yet. Oh, I'm gonna drop something. No, I'll put that over there. All right. Oh. Oh, y'all, my egg done fell apart. Oh, goodness. We gonna do it up right here. That's all right. That's all good, baby. This is a mess. I love the onion. And that's all. I'm probably done with this sauce anyways. This is probably the last time I use it. Because I done use it like 3 or 4 times. That's a little better. Now these are a little harder. Let's see if these do better. There we go. Uh-oh. This is what I like. This is what I want to see. Harder. I don't know if it's harder because it got colder. The other one's just soft. I'm so quiet today, y'all. I feel like every time I feel like I'm quiet, I really be talking. But today I feel like I'm quiet. And when I watch the video back, I'm probably like, I thought I was quiet, but I was talking. Let me try some drink. Oh, that's good. Have y'all had a cran watermelon before? Yeah, I want to know what's crazy. Excuse me. I do not like cranberry by itself. But I like cran grape, cran strawberry, cran mango. I can drink all of those. All of them. Well, cranberry by itself, too bitter. Too bitter. I feel the same way with grapefruit. Not just grapefruit juice, but like the fruit. Ooh. Ooh. The actual fruit I cannot eat. They're bitter, but my best friend's like, she claimed I don't know how to pick them. I don't pick them, baby, because I don't eat them. But I don't like them. They too bitter to me. Maybe I need to try a sweet one, but they're not good to me. And that's just my opinion. And that's okay. People like what they like. I was happy to get the big lemon, but that big old lemon stiff. I didn't ask y'all which video I should have made today. I should have asked y'all. I did shrimp last video. I was going to do shrimp again, but I was like, pretty don't break on me. Oh, it might break. How long it been? 13 minutes. I'm going to try not to keep it out 30 minutes today. I'm going to try. I make no promises. Not now. Ooh. Ain't nothing like that good old meat. Snow crab is so sweet, y'all. So sweet. Not sweet as in cake candy sweet. Because I know if you don't eat snow crab or you don't know about it, you might be like, sweet. If you are a seafood connoisseur and you eat seafood, you would know what I mean by sweet. Or if you've tasted if you tasted snow crab, y'all, and king crab, you would know the reference that I'm making to sweet. Excuse me. Yeah, I gotta clean my kitchen. We had a New Year's Eve party. The kitchen still need to be clean. So I might work on it today. After I edit and get this video up. Y'all remember I ate mussels that time? I ain't been there. I ain't went back to revisit them. I don't know, just some, I don't know. I don't know if I like it. I will say, with the food up this high, I have to have my elbows and stuff up here because my neck, shoulder blades are hurting. So I wonder if I need to bring it down some. I'm 4'11". So I'm short. Not young, short. So it's a little high for y'all to see the food, and but I do it for y'all because I love y'all, you know. I do it for y'all. Sorry, y'all. I had to get it out. I feel like if I move it down, I don't need to touch it. Hands dirty. Maybe I should let them cool off. Maybe that's why they were so soft. I don't know. Don't quote me. They were still steaming when I first started the video. But they're not steaming anymore. Ooh. Ooh. Oh. I couldn't get it out, y'all. I was gonna try to work it around my mouth. I ain't gonna do it. I can't do it. Just go in there and get it. Y'all, what are y'all some New Year's resolutions? Do y'all have New Year's resolutions? People still do that. I just want to be better in every aspect of my life. I want to stop being so lazy. Because I'm lazy. And the first step to admitting is the first step to fixing your problem is admitting it. And I admit it. Lazy. I am. I don't like that about myself. But if you don't like something about yourself, you can change it. Every year I want to lose some weight. I want to be more healthier. So that's back on the list again. Just be healthy. Be my best self. And this year I need to make my, social media, being a social media influencer. I need to make it full time, and y'all, it's gonna be 30 minutes. I ain't gonna lie. I still got a whole nother leg there. Cluster. It's gonna be about 30 minutes. But if you don't mind, just sit here with me and be with me. Sit with me, chill with me, get you something to eat. Ooh. Oh goodness, all the little things I had in it. Get off. That chill. How about use a napkin this whole time? This is my first napkin because if it is, I can't believe it. I'm gonna have to get me a bleach for this table because it's white. As y'all can see that right here. Y'all see? Right here. It's white. This Korean watermelon good. Hold on. I don't know what I thought. Let's glide on back because we don't want to break it. Make sure I hurry up, y'all. I don't want to keep y'all past 30 minutes. But yes, be yourself. I said, be yourself, stay positive. And I know this over here all the time. I know I say it all the time. But it's true. It's rules for life. Right? Sometimes when I'm at the gym, when I used to go to the gym, or when I get on a treadmill, I tell myself, I try to got 30 minutes. I look at that thing. Ooh. I look at that thing and be like, I do 30 minutes and it's like 10 minutes. I was like, goodness gracious. 20 more minutes. So what I had to start doing is say, you got this, mate. This got that stuff on there. I say, you got this, mate. You can do it. Say stuff to uplift yourself. Say stuff to encourage yourself. They have apps these days for affirmations. I used to say affirmations about a few years ago. I had, let's type it in on YouTube. Excuse me. Type in some affirmations on YouTube. Daily affirmation, morning affirmations to train yourself. Because when you start doing something repetitive, you'll start to believe that. You know? If you say, I am beautiful, you'll believe it. Even though you are beautiful. Everybody beautiful in their own way. You ain't got to look like celebrities. You ain't got to have a body like a celebrity. Be beautiful. You know? I hate I can't eat the top. Sometimes you can just rake it off, but it be still having a taste on them. And I can't deal. I don't like that green stuff. But, like I'm saying, you're beautiful. I am successful. I am wealthy. I am loved. You gotta know, you gotta speak these things. I am on the top, I'm not on the bottom, I'm above and not beneath, I'm the lender and not the borrower. You have to, and I'm referencing Bible right now, because that's some of the things my mama say. Or she said, growing up, when I was growing up. That's some of the things she said. So when you start affirming and believing what you say, your body gonna follow suit, your head's gonna follow suit, your mind's gonna follow suit. And I tell y'all every time I'm talking to y'all, I'm talking to myself. I step on my own toes. I need to get back on some of my affirmations. You are not lazy. You are not lazy. You are not lazy. I need to tell myself that. I need to stop saying I am lazy. Because if I keep saying it, that's what I'm going to be. Yeah. Tell the truth set you free, baby. The truth set you free. So I just need to do better as a person. I'm pretty sure some of y'all out there, y'all need to do better. You know? And there's nothing wrong with doing better. There's nothing wrong with wanting better for yourself. That's true. Good. Ooh. That's true tea, y'all now. I'm giving y'all the true tea for real. Want better for yourself. You should. You shouldn't have the same. Ooh. Goodness. You should have the same goals every year. I see this person on TikTok. I don't know if I said this last video. She said in the corporate world, they set goals for quarters. For 3 months. 4 months. Whatever quarter you want to make. 4 months. Whatever it is. So sometimes maybe you should do your goals in a quarter. Instead of just doing a whole yearly goal. Because sometimes when you do a short-term goal, because that's what it's term goal, because that's what it's called. I learned that in high school, I want to say. You got short-term goals, you got long-term goals, you got many different goals. And sometimes that short-term goal can be reached quicker because it's short. Shorter and short. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. That's all I'm trying to say. Sometimes when you gotta look over a whole big, broad spectrum, when you have to look over a spectrum of things, and just look at something that's right there, you can get there faster. You be more encouraged. So be encouraged, y'all. I try to encourage y'all every chance I get. It don't matter how old you are. You still can have goals. It don't matter. You still can have goals. You could be 80 years old. Your goals could be, let me walk around this house at least 5 times so my bones won't get stiff. So I won't get, you know, just different things. Different things. Different things. You don't have to be, like I said, old, young to have goals. You can say, if you younger, I want to make all A's this year or this semester. I want to spend more time with family. Y'all heard A's names on. You know, just stuff like that. Stuff like that. I'll give me a napkin. Stuff like that, y'all. Literally, that's it. That's all. Eat the corn, and I'm gonna let y'all go, because I'm getting me a 30 minute. I'm at 27 minutes. Me getting there. They getting close and close and close. Let's eat this corn, baby. I might have to use this sauce again because I ain't used it. Really. Oh, goodness. Can y'all see? I made too much butter. And it about didn't want to come up. Y'all know it's Valentine's Day. I mean, it's leap year, so it's sweet as you. Which means you buy Valentine for your man. Not the woman. Even though each Valentine, men usually buy each other something. Because it's not just about one person over the other. That's how I feel. It's us celebrating our love together. And yes, y'all, I got stop dripping. And yes, I'm gonna have to let it drip. I barely want to put my head down because I want to get on my shirt for you. This sauce, y'all, set my sinuses straight every time. I wipe my chin for y'all. It may be like, girl, please wipe before you go to that other piece of corn, the other half. Y'all happy? Oh. Oh. That Korean watermelon. Woo! Buzz. Alright, out. That hurt my toe crack. And I have this spoon right here. which is for my corn and my egg. Hold on, baby. Which is for my corn and my egg. Come on. Sorry, y'all, no cucumber today. The corn be so good. I had me a bad batch corn in one video. I threw that mess in the trash. Because my boyfriend said when I cooked it for dinner, he thought it tasted funny, but he just thought something was wrong with it. He didn't say nothing. I ain't gonna say nothing because I'm real sensitive about my cooking. That's true. And so he didn't say anything about it. But when I had on my video, I'm like, oh no, what is this? You know what's supposed to taste like. And it wasn't giving what it's supposed to give, baby. At all. Oh Lord, let me hurry up. Sorry, y'all. For y'all still watching, comment down below a egg emoji, or just say egg if you still watching. Had a piece of corn on my tongue and it went my way back. All right, y'all. I'm gonna let y'all get out here. Run over. So yeah, wait, my sinus is up, baby. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I love you guys so much. I'm covering my teeth because I got corn in them. I love you guys so much. You pray for me. I'll pray for you in a good prayer. Excuse me. Keep it to yourself, baby. Until next time, peace out.